Good morning everyone. Welcome to our unboxing video of Arnold Apocalypse. This is model AP-M60A. It is a new model of production from BONCE. This is a 6.5 mid-range speakers. So let's have a look what you've got inside in the box. So as always, you got your stickers, Apocalypse and your BONCE. You've got your warranty card and you've got your manual instruction. Model AP-M60A, 6.5 inch size, surround material, it's cloth, cone material, press paper, big magnet guys, they are 200 RMS. The voice coil on this one is 1.5 inch. Frame material is stamped steel. On this one you've got the terminals, positive and negative. So on release the screw, push the cable in both sides. Frequency response on this one is between 100 and 13,000 Hz. It's a 4 ohm load. They are available on our website. Check them out at baschool.co.uk. Thank you. Bye bye.